Okay, I'm going to see if I can, welcome to Marable Ramblers, if I can show you how we're going to set this up on the truck, which will be set up like that. It'll be like that. It's quite solid actually. Might move on the odd bump, but the truck's might put a little piece of tape. We're not going to glue it down. So that'll be on the truck. That's the dash cam. We're not going to put it in dash cam mode. This is that tagging thing. So you'll turn this on. I guess I got to hold it longer than that. Turns off really quick. Now, even though I got this thing centered here, so I'm seeing like that, I got to go like this to see what I'm looking at. And it says tagging 1080/30. It's waiting. Now it just sits. I set it on the truck like that, and it just sits. It just sits. Now I'm going to use the 1 minute right now. A moose runs across the road. Okay, we didn't get the moose. Yes, we did. All I do is turn this, hit the power button again, and the tagging will begin. Turns red. For 1 minute now, it'll be filming. I'll do the panoramic because I have it on stabilization. I believe the stabilization works. I've been trying to figure all this out while I have it on tagging. But it'll be on the dash of the truck. Oh, we're just filming away. What it's doing, it's backing up. It's backing up for that minute that I wanted to catch that I missed. 13 days to go, and then we head out. Just a few more seconds here. Let's see, is that going to show up there? Saving. Or that minute, and it's done. That was the 2 minutes, supposedly. So I'll have to go in and look at that. But that's how the tagging works. And then I just sit it back down, and it'll be ready again to tag. That's a pretty goddamn long explanation of tagging. My apologies for that, but that's how it works. So those that are running the Drift Ghost, it's pretty common. Now the one thing about the Drift Ghost is, especially the newer XL Pro, their website is really not that good. It really isn't. So I'm glad we bought this just for the dash cam purposes, because it is not the camera that this camera is. The GoPro is impressive. It truly is. And the newer ones, the 10 and 11s, have the 30-second backup. But I don't want to have this sitting on the dash. I don't want to buy a 10 or 11. I got $500 into this one. I don't want to buy another one. So this will be our dash cam. And that is a long-winded explanation. I got some other footage I'm going to put in there too. Thank you. That seems to be done. Now I'll turn it off. Turns off quick, because we all know the GoPro doesn't. I got some more other footage I'm going to throw in there too. I really can't remember what it is, but it'll be absolutely riveting, I'm sure. So we'll carry on with that. Yeah, I'm just trying to demonstrate here. I guess it's the argument for why one would want to go south. You can see this is when we crossed the Mexican border. It was 10 degrees above. Back home in Whitehorse it was minus 34. That was January 4th. Of course, as I said, the snowfall. This is all previously recorded. Beautiful winter day though. I do have a great time out there riding the Kubota. But we make these videos because we've learned so much from other people on YouTube, and hopefully something that we post here can help somebody. But I think it's actually kind of therapeutic for me. Yeah, months later, it actually got down to 42 below. And last year it got down to 47 below. So yeah, we're ready to go. Big hurricane just went through Baja though. I don't know what's going on there. We shall see. Typical day in Muley. Let's plow ahead. This is Mary there. I tried to highlight her. It's hard to see her because I'm way up with the drone, and she's the only human being for a long ways. She has all that water to herself. Of course, I'm over in the right there in some previous footage showing what the inside of my lungs look like at 20 below. Yeah. You people have a great day. Over and out from Marble Ramblers.